Hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and keeping safe. My name is Sapna Sangude, Assistant Professor, All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on coffee part 2. Let us understand about coffee part 2. Objectives. What are the objectives of this topic? At the end of this topic, students will able to learn to know more about other forms of coffee. They can also understand different variation of espresso coffee and they can also learn how to serve coffee. Introduction. It is a coffee brewing method of Italian origin in which early small amount of boiling water is forced under pressure through finely ground coffee beans. If the coffee is served black, it is called as espresso coffee. Variation of espresso coffee. An espresso machine is used to make this type of coffee. Hot steam is passed through very fine ground coffee and it is allowed to infuse under pressure. It makes an excellent coffee quickly in individual cups. The most popular method of making coffee in coffee parlors is espresso coffee. And there are some variation of espresso coffee. Let us understand what all that variations. Forms of coffee. Other styles of coffee frequently are first one is long black. What is long black coffee? A coffee served without milk in a large cup is called as long black coffee. Next variation of espresso coffee is cafe au lait, which means coffee served with milk in cup is called as cafe au lait. Next espresso coffee variation is Cafe Noir and Vienna coffee. Let us understand what is Cafe Noir. Coffee which is served without milk, it is called as Cafe Noir. And next coffee is Vienna coffee which is topped up with the thickened cream. Here two images are given for the Cafe Noir and for the Vienna coffee. Decaffeinated coffee, which is the coffee without the stimulant of caffeine, is called as decaffeinated coffee. Coffee substitute we can use here drink made from chicory and cereals without coffee beans. Liqueur coffee. These are also called as specialty coffee. These are coffees which is prepared with the addition of spirits or liqueurs and cream floating on top. These coffees are sold in a licensed dining area. Fine dining restaurants where alcoholic beverages are served have specialty coffees in their menus and are prepared at the table or in the garrido. They are often consumed at the end of a meal, with some guests preferring it in place of sweet course. It derives its name according to the type of spirit liqueur used. Next, espresso coffee variations. Affogato, which means vanilla flavored espresso, which is served over gelato. And next one is Americano, which is served equal quantities of espresso and hot water. Here are the few images of affogato and Americano. Cappuccino. Espresso injected with frothy milk and dusted with cocoa powder is called as cappuccino. Here in this image you can see cappuccino. Corretto coffee. It is an espresso with a shot of brandy and grappa. Grappa, it is a spirit from Italy. It is distilled from residue of skin, stalks and pulps of grapes, which is also called as pomace, that is left after the juice has been extracted. Next coffee is called as doppio coffee. Doppio coffee means double shot of espresso. And then the latte. Latte means espresso with hot milk with or without foam. Milk is added to the coffee with or without the formation of foam. Latte macchiato. It is opposite to latte. That means espresso is poured on top of milk. Next is Irish coffee and Highland coffee. Irish coffee is made from Irish whiskey and Highland coffee is made from Scotch whiskey. See, both the things comes under the specialty coffee because we are using here spirit. Russian coffee, which is made from vodka. And next one is Prince Charles coffee, which is made from Drambuie. Drambuie is again, it is a liqueur. It is a golden colored one liqueur which is made from Scotch whiskey, heather honey, herbs and spices. Calypso coffee and Seville coffee. Calypso coffee is flavored with Tia Maria liquor, which is a liquor from Jamaica, which is flavored with coffee beans. And next one is Seville coffee with Contra. Contra, it is a orange flavored liqueur, triple sec liqueur we can call it. Next coffee is Monk's coffee and Jamaican coffee. Monk's coffee, it is flavored with Benedictine liqueur. It is a herbal liqueur and the Jamaican coffee is flavored with rum. Next is Cafe Royale, which is flavored with cognac. It is a variety of brandy. And the next one is Royal Street Coffee, which is flavored with amaretto, kahlua, and nutmeg. Amaretto, it is a almond and apricot flavor liqueur. And then we have the kahlua, which is again the coffee flavor liqueur. With this, we are preparing a Royal Street Coffee. Cafe Napoleon, which is flavored with cognac brandy, and Yorkshire coffee, which is flavored with Bronte. Bronte liqueur is made in Yorkshire, England, from a recipe that combines blackberry and sloe berries with honey and jasmine. Next coffee is Witch coffee, which is flavored with Strega liqueur. It is an Italian herbal liqueur produced since 1860 by the Esse Distilleria Liquor Strega in Benevento. And next is Gaucho coffee, which is flavored with tequila. Next coffee is Caribbean coffee, which is flavored with rum. And next is Balala Ika coffee, which is flavored with vodka. Next is service of coffee. Place sugar as required by the guest in the chosen glass. Pour the measure of selected spirit or liqueur into the glass. Then you have to add the hot black coffee cup to 2.5 cm from the rim and stir well until sugar dissolves. Next, pour the double cream gently over back of the teaspoon onto the surface of coffee until it is about 3/4 thick. The prepared coffee must have cream floating. Then remove the spoon and place the prepared coffee on an underplate with a doily. Note: dissolved sugar increases the density of the liquid, facilitating the floating of the cream. Quiz. Please like and subscribe the channel. Also attempt the small quiz related to the topic through the link provided in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question related to this video, do let me know. My email ID is given in front slide. Thank you so much. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Have a great time. References. Please find below mentioned references are given for this video. Thank you so much. Have a great time. Bye bye. Take care.